Hey everyone, today I will tell you how to add YouTube TV on your TV. It's very easy to do. First, download the YouTube TV app on the TV where you want to watch. For smart TVs, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for YouTube TV. After install, then open the YouTube TV app on your TV. You will be prompted to sign in. Sign in and enter your Google account credential linked to your YouTube TV subscription. If prompted, it may give you a code on the TV screen. On a separate device, go to the URL and enter the code to sign in. You can do it from your web browser, or you can do it from your mobile phone or your PC. Then after signing in, you can start watching YouTube TV on your TV, and that's it. That's how you can watch YouTube TV on your TV.